All right, this is a very challenging problem. Takes a lot of effort, a lot of thinking. We're going to walk through the process of this. What is the equation of the line? Stop right there. Final answer will be the equation of a line that passes through the origin. Whoa, what is the equation of a line that passes through the origin? I'm going to just go ahead and start writing stuff down. And here's what I'm about to write. This is the equation of a line that passes through the origin. So y equals mx, that's it, plus 0. That's it. Passes through the origin. That will be my final answer. I will need to find m. So when I first read this problem, I was like, I don't know even how to tackle it. Wait a minute, what is it asking? Asking for the equation of a line. When I need the equation of a line, I need slope and y-intercept. They gave me my y-intercept very subtly. With another point on the parabola there that has a minimum slope. I am going to minimize slope. So in the past, in this lesson, we've had two formulas, and this one is where we get something from, and then we plug it into this one, and that's actually not going to happen here. This one's going to be like one big stream of consciousness. All right, we're going to find m. Here's the deal. In order to figure out slope, I need to solve for slope. So slope is y over x, which makes a ton of sense. We knew that anyway. Rise over run. There it is. Let's really interpret the problem, though. I have a feeling that it might be worded in a very confusing way. What is the equation of a line? It passes through the origin. All right, there's one point. The other point is on this parabola. So there's going to be a point here, and there's going to be another point somewhere on this parabola. And I don't know where on this parabola it's going to be, but this point's going to stay fixed, and the other one is going to be like somewhere. Now, if you're like me, you're probably tempted to say, well, we're just going to draw a tangent line right there. No, this is not about a tangent line, although it might be that. This is not about the tangent line. This is about a line that touches this point and any point here. Let me do it a little bit differently. This might help. There, try to get the angle just right. It could go through this point, which would also go through this point. It could go through this point. It could go through this point. It could go through this point. It can go through all kinds of points. I just wanted to have the lowest slope possible, which is going to be down here, which to me does seem like it would be a tangent line. But that's not necessarily the answer. That's not what we should aim for within this context. Okay, now I told you that in all these you're going to have two equations, and actually this is your second equation, and this is your first one. We are looking for slope. That's what we need. We need the equation of a line. In order to do that, we need slope, and this is your first equation. So let's just keep writing. So y is x squared minus 8x plus 25 over x. And if that didn't go through your head, then you would say, oh, well, the slope of this line from here to wherever, you'd rise y and run x, and there is no y-intercept other than 0, which simplifies things a lot. And so m equals y over x, and that's it. All right, let's keep simplifying. That'd be x minus 8 plus 25x to the negative 1, or 25 over x. This divides out x, divide out, divide out. There we go. So we're ready to find the derivative now, and that would be 1 gone minus 25x to the negative 2, which is 1 minus 25 over x squared, and we'll set that equal to 0. We will solve it. We'll bring that to the other side. 1 equals 25 over x squared. X squared equals 25. X equals 5. Or negative 5? No, let's not do that. That's not gonna work. X equals positive 5. If we did tinker with x equals negative 5, it'd be way over here, and that would be a very steep slope, okay? Actually, it would be very negative. We're gonna keep it here. I think I should have clarified that in the problem, but let's keep it in the first quadrant. All right, x equals 5. All right, future reference, I'll make that first quadrant. So we just found x was 5, which actually means we can find out what y is. That's 5 squared minus, let's pretend like this problem is calculator active. Let's pretend like this calculator is inactive. There, that's it. Good boy. Plus 25, and that gives me 50 minus 40, which is 10. So my slope is 10 over 5. I'm writing it down just in case later people are like, what? Where would he get the 2 from? So final answer is the equation of a line. Slide it up so you can see it. Y equals 2x. Done.